Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to set Google Chrome as a default browser. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now to set Google as a default browser, first of all go to Start and over here search for Apps. On the top you'll find this Apps and Features. Click on this. You'll find bunch of options over here. Now on the left you can see here is default apps. Click on this and scroll down and you can see here is web browser. In my system, default web browser is Microsoft Edge. Now to change, just click on this and you can find the browsers which are available on your PC or laptop. Now I'll go with Google Chrome and now you can see my default apps. That means default web browser is Google Chrome. So in this way we can set Google Chrome as our default browser. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.